Hello students, hope you are fine. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we shall study about past tense. In our previous videos, you have learned present tense and the usage and structure of all types of present tense. And today we will learn about past tense. We will learn simple past tense in detail. So let's look at usage of simple past tense. To show actions completed in past. Simple past tense is used to show actions completed in past. For example, I met him yesterday. My father bought a new car. It is also used to tell habitual actions in past. Habitual actions in past. For example, he always came on time. He never spoke ill at me. It is also used to express two actions taking place simultaneously. To express two actions taking place simultaneously. For example, while they danced, we sang songs. She taught her daughter as well as knitted the sweater. It is also used to express two actions where the first action leads instantly to the second. To express two actions where the first action leads instantly to the second. For example, when the show ended, the spectators came out. When I opened the door, the cat ran away. Now, let's look at the structures of simple past tense. In affirmative sentence, the structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb second form plus object. Subject plus verb second form plus object. For example, Ram ate apple yesterday. In negative sentence, the structure of simple past is subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object. Now students, to make sentence negative, we have to use helping verb. So, helping verb of simple past tense is did. But you should remember, with did, we have to use verb first form. We will never use any other form with did. For example, Ram did not eat apple. Ram did not eat apple. In interrogative sentence, the structure of simple past tense is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Again, in interrogative case, we have to use helping verb before subject. So our helping verb is did. So we have used did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. For example, did Ram eat apple? The structure of interrogative negative sentence is did plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. For example, did Ram not eat apple? We can also use not before subject, that is did not, if we use contraction form of did not, that is didn't. Didn't Ram eat apple? The WH question sentence structure is WH question plus did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Example, why did Ram eat apple? So students, I hope these structures are clear to you. Let's quickly revise the usage of simple past tense. Where do we use simple past tense? We use simple past tense with actions completed in past. with habitual actions in past. To express two actions taking place simultaneously. To express two actions where the first action leads instantly to the second. The structures of simple past tense is subject plus verb second form plus object. Students, you need to remember that in affirmative sentences, we'll use verb second form. Verb second form is important to know that the sentence is in past tense, or we will use did plus first form of the verb in negative and interrogative negative sentences. The structure of negative sentence is subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. For example, Ram did not eat apple. The structure of interrogative sentence is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. For example, did Ram eat apple? The structure of interrogative negative sentence is did plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. For example, did Ram not eat apple? We can also say it as didn't Ram eat apple when we use contraction form of did not. The structure of WH question is WH question plus did plus subject plus verb first form plus objects. So students, let's look all these structures with the help of an example. I met my friend yesterday. I did not meet my friend. Did I meet my friend? Didn't I meet my friend? Or you can say, did I not meet my friend? When did I meet my friend? So students, I hope this video is clear to you now. If you have any problem, you can call me anytime. Thank you for being with me.